You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this French surgeon? For more names from the history of medicine and more medical terms, absolutely stay tuned. Joseph-François is how you'd say it in French. Joseph-François Malgaigne. Joseph-François Malgaigne, that's how we'd say it in France, okay? In English, I suggest you can say it as Joseph, not Joseph, Joseph-François Malgaigne. Malgaigne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.